Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: device power, a good cable, and a working port. Once done, plug into a known good port and observe LEDs. If nothing lights, swap cable immediately. Open Device Manager, Windows, or System Report, Mac, and note any error codes or unknown device entries because those guide the fix. Make sure you record device model and firmware version if visible. That information speeds driver lookups. Don't waste time on optional apps. Focus on hardware and system recognition first. Next, address drivers and permissions because most not supported errors are software-related. You should uninstall the device entry, reboot, then install the manufacturer's driver rather than a generic one. This ensures proper ID match. Once installed, update the device firmware and apply OS patches, then reboot again. If you're on Mac or Linux, verify UDEV rules or membership in appropriate groups. On Windows, retry with an elevated administrator session. These steps align kernel, driver, and user permissions so the system can recognize the hardware. To finish, test the device after every change so you know what fixed it or what didn't. Once functional, run a quick stability check. If intermittent, reset the device to factory defaults and clear OS driver cache to remove corrupted data. Make sure to document error messages and the exact steps you've tried. If problems persist, gather system logs, device model, OS version, and a list of attempts, then contact vendor support. One key troubleshooting tip: try the device on a powered USB hub to rule out insufficient power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.